Do you love snacking but want to make healthier choices? Well, we've got you covered. Welcome to Revamping Your Snack Game, Ultimate Snack Food Swaps. First up, let's talk about chips. Swap out those greasy potato chips for crispy kale chips. They're packed with nutrients and give you that satisfying crunch without the guilt. Next on the list, let's upgrade your favorite guilty pleasure, chocolate. Instead of reaching for that milk chocolate bar, try dark chocolate. It's rich in antioxidants and has less sugar. Talk about a win-win. Now, let's dive into the world of dips. Instead of the traditional fatty ranch dip, opt for hummus. It's creamy, delicious, and full of protein. Plus, you can experiment with different flavors like roasted red pepper or garlic. Moving on to soda, say goodbye to those empty calories. Sparkling water with a splash of fresh fruit juice is a refreshing and healthier alternative. You won't miss those sugary drinks, we promise. Lastly, bid farewell to those sugar-loaded granola bars. Swap them out for homemade energy balls made with oats, nuts, and dried fruits. They're a great source of energy and taste amazing. Remember, snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy. With these simple swaps, you can revamp your snack game and indulge in irresistible treats guilt-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy snack ideas. Happy snacking! Happy